So, ayun na mga ka-sports, Ulan Bataan versus Mandaluyong. Literal na straight lose po tayo ngayon, no? Lost streak ng Gilas Women, lost streak pa sa Gilas Men. Madami pang team ang torneyong ito, 3 team sa Gilas Men at 2 team sa Gilas Women. Halika tignan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Ronald Batur attacking Alter, throws it up against. Minute gone by in the game. Inside to Damas Fancy. Enkbat, the layup is good too. Got it. Enkbat spins against Alter and puts it in. Devasambu inside to the cutting Mies. Now this Mies is at the line. Out by Enkbat. Yes. Foul on Enkbat. For 2. Got it. 9-3. Meanwhile, Mandaluyong 15-point lead for Ulan Batur. Is off the cut again. Back-to-back points for Norris. Enkbat for 2. Got it. 5 points. Misi. Mandaluyong and Ulan Batur with 2 fouls each. There's a nice pass. Eriobu to Ahan. You don't want to get that damaged in the place. For Ulan Batur, Mies is zigzagging through the defense. Devasambu against Fajardo. Capitalized now. Misi is down in an easy layup for Devasambu. Only 1 field goal. Ulan Batur, Misi, another attempt and another miss. Alter puts it back in. Eriobu, guarded by Enkbat. Fajardo. Pass, 11-point. Eriobu, nowhere to go. The cut by Fajardo and the layup is good. Back-to-back baskets for Mandaluyong. Lead restored and a bad pass by Alter. Easy bucket. Eriobu, that shot deflected. Chance to put it away. Devasambu off the glass.
So ayun na mga ka-sports, napakagandang match up between Ulan Bataan and Mandaluyong, no? Main team ng torneyong ito, no? Team Philippines. Anong masasabi niyo mga ka-sport match up na ito? Comment your thoughts below at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mga ganitong upload. So paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!